Dear children, today I will teach you lesson second, page number 34, A Turbulent Time, the 1905 Revolution in Russia. A turbulent time. हेडिंग देखें, turbulent time क्या था? In the beginning of 20th century, Russian continued to an autocracy and the Tsar was not subject to parliament. During the revolution of 1905, social democrats and socialist revolutionaries worked with the peasants and workers to demand a constitution. They were supported in the empire of nationalists, that is in Poland, and the Muslim dominated areas by jihadists who wanted modernized Islam to lead their society. Assembly of Russia workers in 1904, there was increase in prices of essential goods, thus the real wages declined by 20%. The membership of worker association rose dramatically when four members of the Assembly of Russian Workers formed in 1904 were dismissed in the Putilo iron workers. There was a call for industrial action. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Peter's went on strike. They demanded a reduction in working hours to 8 hours and increased the wages and improved working conditions. The accident of Bloody Sunday in 1905, on one Sunday, the procession of workers led by Father Gopal reached the Winter Palace of the Tsar in order to present a petition, but they were attacked by police and the Cossacks. More than 100 workers were killed and about 3,400. This accident was known as Bloody Sunday. Effect of Bloody Sunday, thus accident started a series of events and became known as the 1905 Revolution. Strike took place all over the country. University closed down when student bodies staged walkouts complaining about the lack of civil liberties. Unions, doctors, lawyers, engineers and other middle class workers established the Union demanded a constituent assembly. Duma, in view of the above developments, it was during the 1905 revolution that Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. Trade unions, factories committee. A large number of trade unions and factories committee made up of factory workers also existed for a short time. Unofficial committees and unions. After 1905, most committees and unions worked unofficially because they were declared illegal. Severe restrictions were placed on political activities. Reaction of the Tsar. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days and the re-elected second Duma within 3 months. The Tsar did not want his supreme authority to be questioned. He changed the voting law and packed the third Duma with conservative politics, keeping out liberal and revolutionaries. the First World War and the Russian Empire. The First World War broke out in 1914. It was war between two European alliances. On one hand, Germany, Austria, Turkey, called Central Power, and on the other hand, France, Britain, Russia, later joined by Italy, called Allied Powers. Each of these countries had global empire. The war was fought in Europe as well as outside. In the beginning, the war was popular in Russia and people supported Tsar Nicholas II. But the Tsar did not consult the main parties in Duma, Russian parliament. As a result, he lost much of the support of the people. Anti-German sentiment rose in Russia. Petrograd, a German name, was renamed St. Petersburg. Tsar Queen Alexander was of German origin. She was not liked by the people. Tsar advised, especially a notorious monk called Rasputin, made the autocratic rule of the Tsar more unpopular. Defeat of Russian army. The war on the Eastern Front was different from the war on the Western Front. The armies fought for trenches along the Eastern Front in the West. On the other hand, the armies moved a good deal on the East and fought battles. Casualties were high on the Eastern Front. Russia's armies lost badly in Germany and Austria between 1914 and 16. By 1917, over 7 million were killed in the battle. In Eastern Europe, Russian armies received sharp setbacks as the Russian armies retreated. They destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemies from making any use of them. The ruin of crops and buildings led to over 3 million refugees in Russia. The Russian position was getting more and more critical due to heavy losses and gross efficiency of the War Department. The situation was to such an extent that the Tsar soldiers refused to fight such a war. Impact of the First World War. The war had severe impact on industry. Russia's own industry were few in number and the country was cut off from other suppliers of industrial goods as Germany had control on the Baltic Sea. By 1916, railway lines began to break down. Able-bodied men were called up to the war. As a result, there were labor shortage and small workshops producing essential goods for shut down. Large supply of the grain were sent to feed the army. For the people in the city, the bread and flour became scarce. By the winter of 1916, riots at the bread shop were common. The February Revolution in Petrograd. Now, next day.